This job requires precision, patience, and a lot of heart. But when you hear that engine roar, it's all worth it. Welcome to the real world of car restoration. Rotten. The leak came from right here. Extensive cracking on the lower lip. We'll need to check the mounts underneath. I found the vehicle.
Jamnagar Workshop, how can we help?
Can you restore it?
Yes, we can.
That's a lot of mud in the wheels. Body looks okay, frame might be straight.
Where we start. Conditions rough, but the foundation's good. Agreed. Let's get the specs pulled up.
Let's get this Camaro back in shape.
On this frame rail, this suspension mount is compromised. Ready? 1, 2, lift. Let's start with this harness right here. Perfect. Now let's grab that hose. Okay.
The frame we're operating on, we must clear all this rust first.
Looks like we're spot on.
The ignition catches
Let's
like
secure
a
it.
held-back breath, leaving the weight of the day to settle like dust. I'm trading the shadows for the white lines ahead, in a quiet surrender to the engine's trust. There's no map for the hollows we leave behind, just the hum of the tires against the spinning earth. And I'm drifting on this road to heaven, where the sky doesn't end, it only begins to change. Tracing the fire of the ghost feels strange. Yeah, I'm finding the quiet, I'm claiming the space, just to breathe in the distance, just a touch of the grace. The asphalt shimmers like a river of ink between the guardrails where the memories stall. I'm pulling the tether till the connections break, watching the city lights shrink and fall. It's a rhythm of motion, a pulse in the dark, learning to carry the flame without the spark. The horizon is a promise, thin and cold, shedding the stories that we've already told. Everything heavy is losing its grip on this long, lonely, beautiful trip. And I'm drifting on this road to heaven, where the sky doesn't end, it only begins to change. Tracing the fire of a dying sun, crossing the borders where the ghost feels strange. Yeah, I'm Just to breathe in the distance, just a touch of the grace. Touching the
Let's see,
grace.
we have the blue, the red, but for this project, definitely the gloss black.
Turning to mist. Dash is a map of where I've been, faded lines and ghost within. The meridian light is a silver wire, yeah. Feeding the ghost of a long distance fire, counting the shadows, the signs between the silence and the next small.
This view is absolutely breathtaking.
Between us are a heavy chain, tracing the border of the joy and the pain. But the horizon is a tether pole, taut and true. Every mile I lose is a mile toward you. Every mile I lose is a mile toward you. I see your breath in the window steam, lost in the static.